At Matco Tools, quality and innovation meet American craftsmanship. Proudly designed and assembled in the USA, Matco Torque Force impact sockets are engineered to deliver unmatched durability and performance. The journey begins with premium-grade raw steel, cold-formed and forged into socket blanks. This process ensures a strong, uniform foundation, critical for sockets built to withstand the toughest jobs. Next, advanced CNC machining carves out precise dimensions. Every socket is crafted to exacting tolerances, guaranteeing a perfect fit and optimal performance. Heat treating toughens the metal, locking in durability and wear resistance. This step ensures the sockets can handle high torque demands without compromising integrity. The pin assembly is carefully integrated. This is a key innovation that strengthens the socket without increasing its size. Matco's laser welding fuses the pin assembly flawlessly, creating a powerful, seamless bond. This design enhances torque strength while maintaining a compact profile for ultimate access. A black oxide finish is applied, providing corrosion resistance and a sleek, professional look. This coating also extends the life of each socket, keeping them on the job for years to come. Finally, high-visibility pad printing marks each socket with clear, easy-to-read size indicators, visible even in low-light shop conditions. Matco Torque Force impact sockets are delivered through trusted distributors, ready to empower professionals nationwide. For ultimate access, durability, and performance, trust Matco.